phyCORE-AM64, the phyBoard AM64, so the development kit, the baseboard around it, and then that's connected by Ethernet down here to this phyCORE AM243. So this is the processor or MPU, and this is the MCU right here. Right, so this is the EtherCat main, and then this is the EtherCat subordinate that is controlling the motors shown here. Right, and so it's a perfect way of describing the capabilities of the device and how you could grow this to a much larger system. Right, so a automated factory, automated warehouse would have a lot of these moving pieces, moving parts.
What Phytec and TI have done here is support some of the industrial Ethernet field buses like ETHERCAT, like PROFINET, and many, many other industrial Ethernet protocols that are out there today.
Yeah, so good point. So out of box, we enable EtherCAT, PROFINET, and Ethernet IP. So this red wire indicates that it is EtherCAT because that's their color scheme. So what you were describing there with the time-sensitive networking, or TSN, right? So the MCU and the MPU are capable of that TSN. So that allows us, with the free RTOS running on the MCU, to kind of go straight into that AWS tool system. So this is the AWS site-wise packets. Can be sent over TSN.
Facilitated from the Linux running here on the master.
So the phyBoard AM64 is a Greengrass compliant device. So it's on the Amazon marketplace, right?
The partner device catalog.
The partner device catalog, exactly. So you can use this as a qualified device. This is the gateway that would allow it to communicate up to the cloud. So then here you have that amazing Grafana UI. So that's showing kind of, not here, but in a relatively low latency what the cloud would look like across an entire field of deployed units. Right? So you got all of these plotters.
You can simulate an entire fleet of them.
Yeah, so and then you can do some predictive maintenance, which is over time you're looking at how much is the temperature going up, the vibration, is it increasing? Right, and so that is in the cloud, servicing equipment before it fails. And then in real time, you're talking about reacting to things immediately as they happen. Right? So you meet this condition to stop. But that's just a safety precaution. This is saving money over time.
Optimizing maintenance.
Exactly. So then the Greengrass and SiteWise also enables over-the-air updates. Right, so this MPU, this processor here, can then push updates down to multiple devices that are all daisy chain controlling different pieces of an automated factory, a smart factory, smart warehouse type of system.